It's been so long I didn't see you on mine. You change a lot, you look a different guy. I can't stop thinking about you.
It is now 1:34. I'm gonna wake up my brother. Ethan. 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 Get up. Get up. You know what time it is? Eh? What time? 10. 10. Funny. 1:34.
That's normal.
That's normal? That's normal. Get up. You had sleep out all of the day. Get up. Never give you a day off for sleep. Get up. But you're 10. Good morning, guys. It is Saturday, a new vlog. Yes, it's a new vlog. My brother is going to IHOP. It's our first time eating at IHOP. His first time, my first time. So that's going to be an experience. Now, if me ever tell another time and why, right now we're going for breakfast. But it is not breakfast, it's not even lunchtime. It is after 2. It is 2:46. I'm even against it. 2:46. What did I say? Almost 3 o'clock. This guy, we have to literally wake him up out of the bed because he was asleep. And we leave him to sleep because we know same guy in bed late last night. Not only that, we decided that we're going to take a break from Disney World today because it's too much. Yeah, so tomorrow we resume our vacation thing. But yeah, just want to start off the vlog. Now, if this is your first time on my channel, please subscribe and share. Tell a friend, to tell another friend, to tell another friend, to tell another friend to come over here and subscribe. And like and stay tuned for more. Either way you take it, is torturing. Because the chicken never tell you that he wanted to die. He wanted to be a meal.
Yeah, but the chicken dies in a humane and quick way. Would you rather be killed? Oh, well, I mean,
why would I want to be killed? I wouldn't want to be killed to be eaten. I wouldn't rather none of them. None of them. I wouldn't rather. No, none of them. So the chicken don't want to be killed, but to kill the chicken.
Okay, would you rather die of old age instantly, old age over a period of time?
But if I have instantly, that means I'm dying now. But over a period of time, meaning I have more time.
No, like say it goes up. You die on the same day, but you're gradually like.
I understand. I would instantly.
Like, that's the whole point.
Still torturing.
And they kill them during their sleep anyway, so I mean.
So they put them to rest.
No,
and then put them to another race.
They just wait for them to
guys, we're talking about halal food and halal and kosher food, right? But either way you take it, you're still torturing the thing, because the thing never asked to be a meal. It doesn't matter.
Ask for them to be a meal.
Anyhow, we almost reach IHOP, and as usual, it looks empty. It looks like nothing going over there.
How can you see through the gate?
Because I have a big eye and I don't wear glasses like how you wear glasses, so I can see. Anything else?
Definitely.
You can see better than me.
Yes.
Yeah, right.
That. See on the black sign, what does the red text say?
The red it say racetrack.
No, it doesn't.
Yes, it does.
It says racetrack. There's no key.
Not because I'm not speaking British, meaning that what I said is wrong. You say track.
Without a key.
Stop stressing me out, yeah?
Dark windows. How could you possibly see?
Yeah, but you would see most of American drive. Down to the baby on the breast drive. Try our new eggs Benedict. Do you know one? So you have another gift shop, eh? What? You want a pancake? Oh, this is the place, sorry. If indeed, don't me, I come out, you know. I know it's messy. Alright guys, we changed our mind because it doesn't look appealing. Like the place is dirty and smell bad. And not only that, we've been in there like for 1 minute and nobody came to us. So yeah, obviously they don't want any business. So we left. Guys, we're in a fall. And we're going to do Uber Eats instead, guys. I walked so far to find food. All the way down at yonder. Just to come up back right up here. So we ordered Asian food because Nathan and him pick himself. Don't want anything. Everything he asks him, you want this? No. You want this? No. You want this? No. Anyway, I guess it runs in the family. Can't believe it's now 8:15. 8:59. I just feel like I'm wasting the day. Waste the vacation day. Like I didn't feel like I wanted to go on the road today, like go to Disney World or to be in that space because you know it's a whole day thing and I just wanted to rest. So tomorrow can we continue? But my brother decided say him I got a pool. Him not staying in the room. So him gone down there from about maybe 3 o'clock. And then they closed the pool for a while and then now him gone back down there. But him gone down in the hot tub. And I'm here watching Mr. Beast and editing the Pack With Me video. Yeah, but we can't believe it's 8 o'clock already. Like, we just wake up. No, sir. It's like vacation I come to an end and I'm not ready. Like, I'm don't ready. I'm not ready for go back to work yet. I'm not ready. It's like I can't already feel the vibes. Do you have 7? What again?
I'm leaving.
Let me tell you a secret. I saw the 7 in your hand.
Huh?
I saw the 7 in your hand.
How did you see my hand?
Because you're not holding your hand properly.
Because you're looking at my cards.
It's the first time.
Oh, you're recording it. Wow. I'm like, why are you moving the bowl and you're not drinking it?
You have a cue. Side face.
Do you have 4?
Go fish. Do you have a cue?
No, go fish. Go. What? Go.
Is it your turn?
Oh wait. Do you have a 2?
I would say that answer with a 2, no.
I don't know. What? Go. Go. No. Go fish.
Go.
Do you have 7?
No. Fish. Do you have 5?
No. Go fish.
I just believe you're gonna get the cue and then you're gonna.
No. Do you have a 4?
No. Who fish? Stop doing that. You're doing that on purpose. You're pretending like you have it.
Hurry up, man.
Do you have a 5?
No.
Did you have a cue?
No, I can't tell you. Wait, what am I doing? Oh, it's you. Yeah, it's you.
Do you have a 10?
No, go fish.
A 1.
You're lying.
No, you see? 1, 2, 3, 4 times.
You're lying. We're playing again
3
until I win.
times.
We're playing until I win. Give me the cards.
You're just a loser. You come last anyway, even in the room.
What are you talking about? I beat you in your game.
What?
I beat you in your game like 3 times.
I beat you
No.
in the race of life.
No.
I was here first. And then it took 2 more for you to come.
You're up.
It took 2 more for you to come. So either way, you still lost. Win.
Hurry up.
Do you have a 3?
Huh?
3.
Can you hurry up? Wait, what am I doing? Wait, what?
You're supposed to ask me.
Oh, do you have a 2?
No, go fish.
Oh, there we go. 2. Do you have a king?
No, go fish. Do you have a 10? Give me the 10.
I had all 3.
How do you feel to be a loser?
I'm not going to lose.
You see, you're not stopping it. Do you have a 9?
Do you have a 4?
Do you have a J?
Go fish.
You just accept it. Just accept it. I couldn't breathe. Just accept it, Nathan. Oh my, this looks like a bad end. No, stop. Do you have a 9? Just give up. Just give up. Oh my God, I can't breathe. Oh my God. Oh, what's that funny? I'm dying. Just accept it and then go to your bed.
Can you play? Oh, what the hell? No, I swear down I won. No, I won. I won. I won. I won.
No, you have to sit up yourself, right? Just do it.
What do you mean?
Nathan,
Hello.
Hollywood is they have no stop no what if you do? Like your bed. What?
Let's just put this on here. No, one more.
Do you have 9? Stop embarrassing yourself. Like, give it up. Like your willpower. Nathan, stop.
So we're going until I win.
They can't sleep because the next door neighbor.
Hurry up, man.
Yeah, but 9.
Where's the clothes?
Is it the one line? Oh God. Dear Jay. Dear Jay.
No, keep playing, keep playing.
Oh God. Do you have a 10?
Do you have an 8?
Go fish. Do you have a 6? Give me a card. Nathan, after 20 games, you finally win. Go to your
I
bed.
won, I don't know what you're talking about.
Go to your bed. 7.
No. Do you have an ace?
Go fish. Do you have 6? Good night, later. I'm a porn winner. Did you know that? Oh, I would like to prove what, Nathan? That you're losing. Don't cry now. I can't, mother. Good morning, guys. It is Sunday, and we're off to Hollywood Studios Yes, because yesterday we took a break, as you all know, and today we're up early and ready to hit the road. It is 10 minutes after 10. Just booked the Uber. Nathan in the room, don't know for why, but him in the room still. And yeah, we're gonna try and leave about 8 o'clock tonight. So yeah, come on with me. Remember to see the full videos of each park. Stay tuned because it's gonna be in separate videos. Nathan, say hi to the vlog. Loser, say hi to the vlog. Nathan, how does it feel to be a born loser? Nathan, Nathan, how does it feel to be a loser? Look at that. From last night, you're losing, Nathan. Guys, Nathan is vexed because he lost the game again. Should I make him win one? It's not my fault, I'm a winner. Nathan, the universe is telling you something. How can you get this? What? Look, failure is the mother of success. The universe is telling you that right now, you're failing. Come on, Nathan. Don't worry, success will come soon. Like, Nathan, I don't understand. Can you? Nathan. Nathan. You're gonna miss me when I'm gone. When I'm gone. Where are we going? Guys, the universe is telling Nathan that you cannot compete with me. You know, I'm always a winner. I'm the born winner. I was first from the womb, and he's last from the womb. Oh God, I'm gonna miss this child. I'm gonna miss him without telling no lie. Guys, the rain came down and the park, well, the park is still open, but to me it didn't make sense to stay. We did most of the ride. The only ride that we didn't do was Sneaky Link, Sneaky something, Slicky something. And I really wanted to go on it, but it is what it is. At least we'll do it next time. Like, I feel like I want to do like a family trip next time. So maybe next year I save up enough money and try to see if I can fly my mother and my siblings and my nieces. So I'm gonna run it by them, let them save up some money, and probably me just take care of food and the entry fee hotel while them take care of them flight. That would be so good. So yeah, I'm glad that I'm home. So tonight, I'm gonna see if we can play some card game and see if Nathan can redeem himself, because right now he doesn't feel good. But yeah, I'll catch you inside. He's walking away. He's walking away, guys. Look how far I'm gonna walk. Oh boy. Guys, so I'm Vanessa. Most of the things I'm recording. He's not even videogenic. Him stop and go behind me like he thinks I'm recording. Not even see him. Let me stop cause music. Alright, so my thing is, how can there be a storm and the pool open? Them don't follow protocol. I feel like Nathan vex. Vex. But I don't know why I'm vexed, because he's not a failure and he will never be a failure. Failure doesn't run in our bloodline. But at this point, there can only be one winner. And the winner is me. Nathan, what did you say? You had two more? Two more failure thing?
No.
What?
There's 2 more.
Nathan, you're never a failure, okay? It's just that you can only have one winner at a time. And I'm the winner, always, when you're around. Okay? Capiche? Comprehend? Say see. You're going to the pool?
Why would I? You can't go to the pool.
Don't you see people in the pool?
Yeah, but what, they're gonna leave in 30 minutes? What's the time?
So you took this from me because you wanted to prove something? Okay.
I'm holding up something to talk about it. See, that's what I'm talking about.
I am taking
Same thing.
silence on our hike.
What did you
What
get?
does yours say?
The same thing. You're,
Okay.
there's mutual simplicity. What did you guys say?
Oh, well, there's nothing bad about it.
You have a heart of gold, okay? Somebody tell me why.
You just threw the card, so you can't even say anything.
You tell me why. This man took off all of my pillow, leave me with one. Them over there, so you see how you provoke you. Look what gonna happen Tuesday when we gonna leave you.
What do you think will happen? Thank you.
Nathan.
Nathan, what?
Alright, we need my foot on me, I know. You don't see you provoking you. You know who are
Go
you?
back.
Who is your mother?
What does that have to do with anything?
Because you're just like your mama. Your mama before kid.
Oh.
She ever call you for we are yonder. Say, pass me the water straight.
You did that earlier. I don't know why you're chatting. You told me to bring me the remote when it was right there.
Hey.
That's not mine. That's your mum's.
Say, let me wake you up.
Okay, do it then.
Give me the pillow.
No.
Give me the pillow.
Exactly. You're gonna wet me up. Every single one of these pillows is gonna be wet now.
But wait up in bed if you sleep on the ground.
Okay.
Gosh. This is every day job with this little boy though. Eh? The wet up one them.
The ones that you wet up.
How they wet me time? Oh Jesus. You know what I didn't say sleep, it's the wet dreams. You know they say I have wet dream? Tonight we're gonna have wet dream. Nathan, the one guy in bed and he come like he don't want tomorrow to come because he knows the vacation is done. I know, but after tomorrow is Tuesday. Good morning, guys. So today is the last day of the vacation. And I don't know how to feel. I honestly don't know how to feel. I'm not ready yet. Like honestly, I am not ready for work. And I wish I had another week. Just can't go back. I just can't bother. Today I am like by the pool, but too much people there over there. And I like people like that. I like to be in a small confined place, but I bought something to eat because I haven't had breakfast and it's now lunchtime, so I bought lunch. My brother, he said not leaving, not coming out because when he wanted to come to the pool, I didn't want to come. So I guess he's trying to spite me. But I think they have about 3 pools. So I'm going to just see which one has less people and chill there for a while. If not, just go back into the room and find something to do, like edit or something. Or just start packing. But I need to do my final packing. they kind of do the same service like what we do. And where I work at the pool, you have the pool server. But the only thing I see is that there's only one server. So that's good. Or maybe they have like more than one on the weekends. But during the week, one server. And it seems like she have all of the pool to herself, the pool them, because as I said, there's 3 pools. So I'm going to take a walk and let you guys see how them look. They're going to do a bar and grill up there. Call it also shot bar. But for now, everybody's ordering inside.
You got me exclusive. I'm so high up and lucid. You take me to a safe place. We steady on the same pace, yeah. I'm crazy. You like that? Don't back down. No, you talk back. Keep it spicy. That's a fact. We on the right track, yeah. Driving me wild, giddy up like a stallion. Saddle up and ride you, we crossing the line like a champion. Driving me wild, giddy up like a stallion. Saddle up and ride you, we crossing the line, we some champions. We know how to make it rain in the bedroom. We don't need a club, got our own groove. Coming at the same time, yeah. You don't bust a dime for us. When we make it rain in the bedroom, we don't tell us all what we gon' do. Dirty little secrets, yeah. Keep it in the sheets with us. When we make it rain in the bedroom. When we make it rain in the bedroom. I'm a main squeeze, don't get it twisted. There's a problem, we gonna fix it. This ain't the type of thing you lose, so let's keep on doing what we do. Driving me wild, giddy up like a stallion. Saddle up and ride you, we crossing the line like a champion. Driving me wild, giddy up like a stallion.
Put the wrong number upon the receipt, the bill. So I'll go back down there for correct it. Even though it would be nice if somebody else pay for it for me. But I think the last time I go match. I gotta fix it. Can we come back correct one on the camera? Camera down. Not ready for it yet. No, go back. Not ready. Mistress already. She said she found it. So good. At least my conscience is clear. That's good though. Yeah, go back up. Let's see if we can start edit off the vlog here and probably edit some other videos so we can release them momentarily rather than have you guys waiting too long. Did they do an interview? Alright, here is the deal. Right? Did I hear the deal? Did I hear the deal? The deal is you do the interview with me and I do something what you want. You said
You already did do something I wanted.
No, but the day's not done.
I wanted you to do charades last night.
Then you have tonight. I don't even know what charades. Huh?
I asked you first, and now you're asking me for something.
Guys, it is now 7:19 and I feel like my brother is sad, like he don't want to leave. Because from yesterday I've been telling him to pack up his stuff and he don't want to pack it up. Like me literally have to take away the TV away from him and boss him up to go and pack up. But such is life, and I'm fun to be around. But yeah, I don't want to go back to work, and he doesn't want to go back to New York. Is that Nathan?
Huh?
You sad?
No.
You happy?
No.
You're indecisive.
Yes.
Why?
Because Florida is a place where I like to live.
Mm-hmm.
And it's not like I want to leave. But at the same time, the weather here is atrocious. It's just thunderstorms every 2 seconds. But then I don't want to go back to New York because then there's like no moisture in the air. It's going to be too hot and I'm just going to be sticky. Huh?
You got it too? Child abducted?
Yeah, what? What's this?
Screenshot it. Yeah, every time somebody's adopted, they send out an alert to every phone. You don't get it in England?
No, because we only just started doing that. I remember they were doing a government test.
Oh.
Like on a thing where everyone got the same alert.
Mm.
But they don't do it already.
So Nathan, you're going to miss me?
Of course,
What you going to miss?
me beating you.
You beat. Yeah, you know that's not true because I am the winner here.
I have video proof.
You have video proof.
Yes.
I'll be putting it in so everybody will know that you're lying. Differently from that, were you gonna miss Nathan?
The trip?
The trip? Oh, so you just miss me for the trip?
Yes.
Oh wow. And here I thought we were bonding together.
I'm just joking. You're the best sister.
I'm the best sister?
No.
Oh.
You're better than Candy Crystal.
Oh. Why you say that though?
Because you just are.
Mm. Do you think because they don't have the money to help you to do stuff?
It's not even that.
Oh.
It's not about the money.
Oh.
Probably like when they first came over to England, they probably would have been the best.
So they changed.
Hmm?
They changed.
It's probably since they left the house.
Oh.
It's just because I can't see them as much.
Oh. So when you leave here then and then you cannot see me, I'm not gonna be the best anymore.
No. Candy will be the best.
Candy will be the best. So the best is determined by the physical appearance.
No.
Not really physical. No, I just said that wrong. I said that wrong. As in the physical presence.
Yes.
Okay,
And
okay.
then if I go to Crystal's more.
Because it's gonna be the best. Well, guess what? You're our best brother. Because you're the only one.
Only one.
I have other brothers.
Okay, but I'm still the best.
Mhm.
Sure.
Okay.
You don't take your other brothers to Disney World, do you?
No, I don't. I'm gonna miss you. Miss you already.
You miss me already.
Yeah, because I'm thinking about tomorrow.
You have the whole night left and you don't even want to play charades.
It's not that I don't want to play charades. I want you to pack up your stuff so you don't leave anything.
I packed up my stuff.
You still haven't finished everything.
I finished everything.
You
Yeah.
you take
I
out
just
everything on the
haven't-
bathroom?
Yes.
Where is it?
Apart from my rag and my thing, in case I'm gonna use it in the morning.
Mm.
And the face wash, I'm gonna use that. So there's no
But I don't
point.
think you can bring that.
I'm going to.
Okay.
They better let me take
Like
it.
that. Good morning, guys. So today we're off for the airport. The good thing about right now is that we have the same flight to go to Charlotte, and we're gonna split up from there. Nathan barely make it out of the bed this morning, but yeah, today's the last day, and I don't know what to feel. I'm not ready for work tomorrow. I'm honestly not ready for work tomorrow. Like, we just can't bother. The work life is not for me. Need a sugar daddy. But here I'm on just, let me show you what I'm wearing. So I'm wearing this set This is from Shein, and the shoes is from Nike. So let me see if I can show you a better one. Shein, Nike, and this bag here from Steve Warden. Yeah, so that's what I'm gonna wear. I pack up everything from last night. No need and no pack up for him something like in disbelief him don't want to leave. But I said go, we have to leave because if I could stay I would stay obviously. But we have to make the money. You understand? And I have to go make the money so that we can do this again some other time. So yeah, come on another flight journey with me again. You have no space, so put it here. This is 34. Did I?
Like, oh, I don't want to sit next to you.
You don't want to sit next to me?
That's what you said.
Good morning, guys. Today is, I don't even know what day it is today. I think it's Wednesday. Yeah, today is Wednesday. Yeah, I know. I'm back in my uniform, sadly. Guys, we never prepare for this. We never prepare for the hit. Like yesterday I was traveling and today we're just back in our work. Like, what do you want? Like a new year off? Like, yeah. I'm not prepared for this. Anyhow, yeah, I'm back at work. The good thing, I'm just working in the deep end, which is the pool. Right now, I'm not stressed about making money or anything. We just got work, save up a little coins, and yeah, that's basically what I'm doing. Not stress out myself anymore. It's not worth it. Yes, the money is good when I work extra hours and get extra tip, but my body I take a toll at me and I'm not doing it this time around. Yeah, so it's basically back to usual, but out of the vacation we're actually planning a family vacation, but it's not going to be for this year, it's going to be for next year because I need everybody need time to accumulate their funds. So that's the plan. I already talked to my mom, talked to my two sisters, and my brother, who, well, my mom is going to take care of my brother still. So that is that. I hope to see my nieces and nephew for the first time in flesh. So that's good. And yeah, so back to work. I'm not going to get a day off until next week, Tuesday. I think it's Tuesday, Wednesday, or Wednesday, Thursday. But I know definitely Wednesday. I don't have no day off, and we need to start edit. Yeah, we know we need to start edit, and it's gonna be rough because I have so much clips. I have 4 different files for the 4 different days, plus I also have like pack with me and travel with me and all like whole heap of videos to edit. And I also have my weekly vlog. I have not started my weekly vlog. I have to do this every night so that I can get it out Saturday, and I'm gonna do it. We're gonna do it. So yeah, so I am not the most excited to be back at work, but it is what it is. I had to make money, so yeah. I just want to tell you good morning and back in the Gideon. Guys, oi, me never ready. Like, I am not ready to be back at work, like, honestly. But it's fine. It's chill. And guys, like, I honestly never ready to come back at work. I'm still in a vacation mood. Um, uh, yeah, that's basically just never ready. But nevertheless, I'm here, and pool is not as busy. There is so much things that happen in the 1 week. I'm glad I wasn't here. Like God is so strategic that He make things happen when I wasn't here, so I wouldn't be caught up in all of the bangarang. So that is good. Uh, the swimming lesson and swim meet is over, so it's not going to be as busy as it was, even though it never busy in the morning from morning. So that is that. Um, we only have 1 month because the pool will be closed September the 4th before my birthday. So we have 1 month to work, and honestly, I'm in a cruising mood. Like, I'm not focus on making money that much anymore. Just I focus on saving what I can. So it's not all about working hard, just cruising. Yeah. So that's that. Hello. Good. You? Okay. Yeah, as I said, I'm just cruising, not focusing on making the bags. And right now, not to lie, extension hard to get. It's never this hard, but it's hard. But I'm still seeking because I'm not ready to go home as yet. And I know I'm gonna get something, so I'm not worry. So, guys, if you know, start applying, and the work where you put in from your start, times it by 2. Times it by 2, do extra, because the information is out there. So enough people applying, and it's getting harder and harder. And many employers are working with agencies and they're gonna send it to their agency. So try to put your eggs in more than one basket. Don't just limit yourself to applying independently. Alright? Even though we're focusing on applying independently, but if you want to come out here, you have to do everything. So yeah, I'm going back over. I just went and pick up some letter and going back over to finish the night. So yeah, later.
Closer, closer, closer. Get a little closer, closer from the last one.
Guys, it is Thursday, and you wouldn't even believe what time it is. It is 4:56, and we're going home because it's been raining all day, like literally pure rain. I had probably just 3 customers from morning, and we're going to Walmart after this. Yeah, so that's basically it for today. Nothing major, nothing. And I am so glad, because guess what? I have to edit the video, and the video give me a warm time because me go film it in a 8K, and the program it just rough. It was just rough, me and my enough self. But I had to put all of the file them in a one thing and then export them in a 1080p and then do it all over again. But then I have some clips that I forgot to put in there, and it's just a slower thing. But these videos are good now because I changed the ratio. Anyhow, I'm waiting in the bathroom. I'm always in the bathroom, I don't know why. But yeah, we're going home. Anyway, you know what? I'm not going to wait for that. I'm going to just go over there so I use the bathroom over there, so because if me wait for them here, I'm going to piss up myself. Leaving work and it's raining. Look there, empty. And then guess what, guys? The poor lifeguard them office down in the rain. Because that is how I want lifeguard working, even though I can't swim, so I'm qualified. Thank God. But they must shiver. They must use the towel. Oh God, look there. Let me see if I can show them. Look there. Poor thing, them. Poor thing. So I go still. Work is work. to suffer the consequences, but feel it for them though. On our way to Walmart, and thank God we took up the bag to put the groceries them in. Yeah, get it? Get it? It's coming down. No point of us staying. We're out of here. Bye. Alright guys, so this is the only place I can literally get light in the resort other than outside. The whole place closed down. Like them closed down the place because lights out. It's not just the resort but the whole community from as far as I can tell you. I don't know how far, but just think of power outage in Jamaica, in the whole of Portland. Yeah, that's it. So we are actually close now to go home. I'm kind of excited and I'm kind of sad because this morning was dead, really dead, and now we're actually getting some business and we have to close. So that's what Friday is about. So yeah, we're leaving to go home. Yeah, so I'm just gonna go home and edit the vlog so I can finish the vlog and do it properly tonight so that you guys can get it tomorrow. And yeah, catch you back later. Alright guys, so I just reach home. As I said, the whole place is shut down. I could literally have to send the guests home, and I don't know how them are gonna survive, how them are gonna cope, because the whole resort has no light and it seems like they don't have enough fuel in the generator, because they said they were only gonna turn it on just so that we can close down. I don't know if they're gonna turn it on for the night so that the guests can have AC and light in the night, but that was so unfortunate. It's not the hotel or the resort fault, it's the whole street has no light. So I guess the hotel is gonna lose a lot because they may have to compensate. But the thing is, for a big resort like that, I should think that they should have like adequate resources for just in case that happen. But I guess it don't normally happen. I'm so glad it didn't come here, because that would affect me putting out my vlog tomorrow. So that's good. Anyway, I just want to close off the vlog. Thank you guys for watching and stay tuned for the Disney World vlog. I'm going to focus this week on editing those videos and get it out. I already have Pack With Me edited and uploaded, but I don't want to release it yet because I don't want you guys to be waiting on all of the videos. I want them to come out momentarily. Like if I release that one, then the other one release the next day, so you can have the vlog continuously rather than waiting 1 week for the next one. So yeah, thank you guys for always stopping by. Leave a comment, let me know what you think about this whole vlog and tell me what I can do to improve this vlog. And guys, not gonna lie, this year it's not the program, it's rough, it's hard, and I start getting back my time, so I'm not gonna force working in the week. I have 2 days off. I'm not gonna force getting extra days to work. I'm gonna use those days to focus on my channel and other things that I have set aside differently from working. So I need balance. You guys will hear more from me. I've been so missing in action and I apologize. So for all those who's been here even when I have nothing, you stop by me and you motivate me, pick up on a nice clean self, and just know I'm working to be better for you guys. Yeah, so thank you for watching and stay tuned for the other vlogs. Bye.